How to turn off autoplay videos on Facebook. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Facebook application. So after this, you can see three lines on the top right corner. So click on it. So after this, click on setting and privacy. So when you will click on setting and privacy, click on setting options. So in setting options, so scroll down the page and you can see media options. So click on media options. So after this, here you can see autoplays options. So in autoplay options, so you can see never autoplays videos. So click on it. So you can see setting is changed. So guys, in this way you can turn off autoplay videos on Facebook application. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.